Spurti Engineering College, NAC accredited college, permanently affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad, approved by AICTE New Delhi, recognized by Government of Telangana, recognized by UGC U-Bar S2F and 12B of the UGC Act, ISO 9001-2008 certified college. Counseling code SPHN. Spurti, the name is tantamount to inspiration, is offering qualitative and value-based education with a mission and vision of providing the best infrastructure, quality education, and overall personality development within the campus. Spurti Engineering College, the renowned name for quality education, was established in 2004 and it is an excellent college to study engineering in Hyderabad. The college is affiliated to JNTUH and it is approved by AICTE New Delhi. We take the pride in molding thousands of students into sophisticated engineers. Shri S. Chalmar Reddy Garu, Chairman. Our Chairman, Shri S. Chalmar Reddy Garu, pursued his Masters in Mathematics and Masters in Education. Shri S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, Secretary and Correspondent.
We understand the importance of engineering and technology, and especially in today's requirements for development of any country majorly depend on the engineering course. And keeping with that, instead of preparing a student to be degree holders, we mainly focus on importing technology, giving them a practical knowledge. For that, we approach this project-based learning approach. Very few institutions, premier institutions only, adapt this project-based learning system. Why? Because for engineering, we do understand engineering means he has to design, develop and maintain. For that, you must need a practical knowledge. Without doing anything practically, you cannot gain the practical knowledge. Otherwise, you will become just a mere degree holder. That degree is not enough to succeed in your professional life. That's why our major activities are activity oriented to develop into means all-round development of a student. And I can proudly say that my students who are coming out of these institutions are highly disciplined and with lot of values. Because of the value-based education we are giving, this has been possible, and many parents also really happy because of the system we are adapted, the importance we are giving to this discipline and values. I'm really thank you all the students and parents for the whatever cooperation they have given. That's why we could able to achieve this and we could able to do our means whatever things we want to give it to the students in a proper way. Thank you.
Welcome to Spurti Engineering College. The college is established in the year 2004 under the flagship of Thoma Educational Society. The institution has got 23 committees to organize the institution in a proper manner, and we have got a well-established governing body with highly efficient and eminent personalities. The institution starts at 9:15 and continues till 4 o'clock. We follow the rules and regulations and timetable of the JNTUH, which is our affiliating university, very scrupulously. Like we are the member of CSI, ISTE, IEEE, IEE, IUCEE and HMA. And this membership enables our student to participate national and international conferences.
Dr. G. Poshal, Dean R&D. Dr. Yella Prakada Yellam Raj, Dean, Faculty of Engineering. Central Library. Spurti Engineering College Library occupies a place of pride and is an essential component of the Institute's outstanding research and education mission, and spaciously built in with 16,000 square feet. Book bank facility. The students can avail book bank facility to procure textbooks required throughout the course through the payment of nominal fees. Besides textbooks, Central Library provides journals, magazines that let students updates with latest news on technical advancement emerging globally.
As you know, our library is huge and well equipped. We have around 30,000 volumes, 4,000 titles and 200 plus journals. And we have different newspapers getting updated daily, and we have different memberships from IEEE and Delnet.
Courses offered.
Arthra is a technical fest started by Computer Science and Engineering Department to showcase the talents of students. CSE department also organizes many of the motivational lectures to bring out and mold the students into successful engineers. Department also organizes various technical workshops to enable students to get in touch with latest trending and technological gadgets. Department has been successful in designing various sessions like mini project sessions and webinar sessions, which helps to implement the subjectual knowledge into the student.
World-class infrastructure is provided in our campus to suit the global education standards and make our students competitive to succeed in the international arena. The state-of-art infrastructure in the college is equipped with modern equipments and laboratories as per the university curriculum. All the departments are equipped with LCD projectors to facilitate foreign advanced teaching methodologies. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled.
Spurti Engineering College offers number of features to the civil engineering students. SPICE is a civil association designed to produce competent engineers in order to contribute efficiently to the advancement of the civil engineering courses.
At Spurti Engineering College, Mechanical Engineering Department faculty are highly qualified and well experienced. Mechanical Department has all well-equipped laboratories and library facilities. EEE is the engineering course to learn about power production, transmission and distribution, electrical machines and power electronics. Humanities and Sciences Department is headed by Dr. D. Sudhakar Reddy, Professor of English. The department consists of various disciplines like English, mathematics, engineering physics, engineering chemistry, and environmental science. The department is a supporting department to all engineering branches and MBA. The department has a rich curriculum and allied activities to provide a comprehensive education for BTech graduates. It prepares them to be technically well off, to be critical thinkers, productive citizens, and leaders in a wide range of careers, as well as an array of managerial options in the private sector.
Spurti Research and Development Cell is famous for its innovative ideas and implementations under the guidance of experienced faculty. This is the place where ideas get converted into inventions. Spurti always directs towards innovation, introduction and improvement of products and processes. R&D Cell immerses the students in research activities. Our R&D Cell focuses on improving the research skills of the students and are encouraged to conduct research on any topic of their choice and document the findings. Spurti Placement Cell provides us with the top class MNCs. People nowadays have a dream in working in the software and the hardware side. Spurti Placement Cell satisfies you and aims you at higher range.
I'm very happy to join in this institute and we are getting very nice placements in our college. Recently we are having many drives in our college like IBM, Dell, MAQ softwares and EDICO systems.
And coming to greenery, we have a good environment around our college, and at the back of our college we have organic vegetable garden. During exams, we'll sit under the shades of tree and we can read so that we can concentrate more on that learning. And sometimes we hear the sounds of birds and we feel pleasant environment around us.
Canteen at Spurti Engineering College. Spurti Campus Canteen provides a variety of food prepared by skilled chefs. Management takes special care in providing students hygienic food. Campus Hostel. Spurti's campus hostel is quite spacious and a minimum of 500 students can be accommodated here. For girl students, the security is beefed up. Sports and Games at Spurti College. Spurti Engineering College encourages students to participate in sports and games, giving importance to physical education as well as encouraging students' interest. A professional physical director is appointed by the management to train the students in their field of interest. Spurti campus includes volleyball courts, tennis court, and cricket space. Indoor games include chess, caroms, etc. In the world of competitive studies, students are forced with lot of pressures, so the management of Spurti believes it shouldn't get into that routine track of study system and follows a philosophy: physical fitness suppresses mental pressure, and let all students take advantage of it thoroughly. Spurti Engineering College, NAC accredited college, permanently affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad, approved by AICTE New Delhi, recognized by Government of Telangana, recognized by UGC U/S2F and 12B of the UGC Act, ISO 9001-2008 certified college. Counseling code SPHN